Let's take a quick look at plastering a butt joint. I've already taped it, I've done one coat. Now for the next coat I like to use what you see here is a finishing trowel. You might make out the curve in the blade. And I simply do one there, one there of the base coat. That'll be my second coat. Then I'll do a top coat in the middle, and then I'll do a second top coat that'll go from the centre, or from a little bit past the centre, out to there, and out to there, once that centre coat is dry. Now we'll just see it in action here. I think I made this a little bit stiff. Yes, this mix is a bit stiff. I haven't done myself any favour there. Just so you can see, using the tape as my guide, I come up the other side. And you can imagine me doing it till the